Hi guys, today I got a Dell Vostro 3700 notebook. Still works fine. So let's see what we got here. On the left we've got a Kensington lock, a power plug, VGA, eSATA, HDMI and 2 USB ports. On the right we got Ethernet, again 2 USB ports and a DVD writer. On the front we have a Wi-Fi switch, a mic and headphone jack port. So first off, let's remove the battery, let's swap the hard drive for an SSD, and I will also upgrade the RAM to a total of 8 GB. After doing all that, I will install Windows 10 on it. After doing all that, it makes a hell of a difference as I expected. The first time I booted this laptop up, it took almost 2 minutes before I could do anything on it. Now it boots in 12.7 seconds and it works just fine. So it's ideal for browsing the evil internet and for watching movies, play music, doing your homework, and just for under 200 bucks. I would say mission saving a Dell Vostro accomplished. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.